April 13th, 2012, and I'm Bryan. Hi.
No, it's April 14th, 2013, and he's Bryan. Say hi. Okay, here you go. Do your own video. Where are we at? In front of IHOP?
Yep.
Okay.
And what does that sign up say over there?
That says CSB. That stands for Community State Bank.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna look for big, huge trucks, and you can look for cool cars.
Okay, I think here comes the truck.
Oh, yeah, there's a big, huge truck right there. Hey, Mommy, can I get a little bit more closer?
No, just a little bit, yeah. You're videotaping the ground.
Oh. And here's the pretty grass right there. Can we go all the way down that rock?
Just right